हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे और आई होप आपकी टेट की प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से चल रही होगी। आपके पास अपनी प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए 25 से 30 दिन हैं। इन 30 दिनों में भी आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से कर सकते हैं। आज से हम एचपी टेट मेडिकल के लिए बायोलॉजी की एक एमसीक्यू सीरीज स्टार्ट करेंगे, जिसमें टॉपिक वाइज आपको बहुत सारे एमसीक्यूज़ मिलेंगे। तो आप इन एमसीक्यू से भी अपनी प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हो और एमसीक्यू करने आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है और आपकी प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़रूरी है। पढ़ने के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा जो इंपॉर्टेंट है वो आपकी प्रैक्टिस ही है और उसकी वजह से ही आपके अच्छे मार्क्स आ सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम फर्स्ट टॉपिक जो हमारा है वो है ओरिजिन ऑफ लाइफ। इसमें से आपके 1 या 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछ लिए जाते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ Miller synthesized simple amino acids from one of the following mixture in an experiment. First one is options जो हैं H2O2 N2 and water. Next is CH2 CnH2 or O2. Next is H2 NH3 CH4 and water vapors. Next option is NH3 CH4 Cn and O2. तो इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Then next is कंप्लीट मेच्योर वायरस पार्टिकल इज. इसका जो ऑप्शंस हैं वो है वायरल, विरुलिज्म, विरियन, विरिसाइड. इसका जो एग्जैक्ट आंसर है वो है विरियन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लाइफ ओरिजिनेटेड फर्स्ट इन. इसके ऑप्शंस है एयर, अर्थ, वाटर एंड नन ऑफ देम. इसका जो एग्जैक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, वाटर. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एंजाइम्स आर नॉट फाउंड इन. इसके जो ऑप्शंस हैं वो हैं बैक्टीरिया, प्रोटोजोआ, वायरस एंड फंजाई. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, वायरस. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ वायरल डिजीज. इसके जो ऑप्शंस हैं वो हैं कोलेरा, इन्फ्लुएंजा, टाइफॉइड और बेरीबेरी. देन इसका जो एग्जैक्ट आंसर है वो है इन्फ्लुएंजा. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज प्रोटोप्लाज्म इज द फिजिकल बेसिस ऑफ लाइफ वॉज गिवन बाय. इसके जो ऑप्शंस हैं वो हैं हक्सले, डार्विन, रॉबर्ट हुक एंड ल्यूवेनहॉक. इसका जो एग्जैक्ट आंसर है, जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, हक्सले. देन नेक्स्ट question is origin of life as a result of chemical evolution has been properly explained by. And the options are Miller, Oparin, Haldane and Sidney Fox. And the correct answer is option number B, Oparin. Then next question is on the basis of Miller's experiment one can say that and the options are organic compounds have carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Organic compound can be synthesized in the laboratory. Life originated in the form of amino acids. Complex organic compounds were first formed on primitive earth. And the correct answer is option number D. Complex organic compounds were first formed on primitive earth. Then next question is life originated about 1 billion years ago, 3 billion years ago, 6 billion years ago, 9 billion years ago. And the exact answer is option number B, 3 billion years ago. Then next question is group of earlier photosynthetic organism appeared during origin of life. Options are photobacteria, cyanobacteria, probacteria and primitive bacteria. And the correct answer is option number C, probacteria. The next question is life originated in the era of Precambrian era, Proterozoic era, Mesozoic era or Cenozoic era. Then the correct answer is option number A, Precambrian era. Then next question is nucleoproteins most probably gave sign of. Then the options are evolution, life, speciation, mimicry. Then the correct answer is option number B, life. Nucleoproteins most probably give the first sign of life. The next question is according to one of the following widely accepted theories, Earth's atmosphere before origin of life consists a mixture of. Options are the water vapor, H2 NH3 and CH4, H2 CO2 NH3 CH4, O2 NH3 CH4, H2O, O3 CH4, O2 and H2O. And the correct answer is option number A, water vapor, hydrogen, NH3 and CH4. Then the next question is the simple organic compounds evolved in the direction of origin of life upon primitive earth may have been. The options are proteins and nucleic acid, urea and proteins, amino acids and nucleotides, urea and amino acid. Then the correct answer is option number C, amino acids and nucleotides. Next question is true nucleus is absent in. बहुत टाइम क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाता है. Options are green algae, fungi, lichens and bacteria. And the correct answer is option number D, bacteria. True lichens, true nucleus is absent in bacteria. The next question is which of the following was not present free form in primitive atmosphere. Free form in primitive atmosphere. And the options are oxygen, hydrogen, ammonia and methane. And the correct answer is option number A, oxygen. Then next question is chemosynthetic bacteria cannot synthesize their all food, can synthesize their all food, need chlorophyll for preparation of food, need radiant energy for preparation of food. And the exact answer is can synthesize their all food. Then next question is an underdefined fibrillar nucleus is found in. Options are eukaryotic cell, cells of higher organisms, prokaryotic cells, and all of the above. And the correct answer is option number C, prokaryotic cells. Then next question is, the prokaryotic genetic system contains DNA and histones, DNA but no histones, either DNA or histones, neither DNA nor histone. And the correct answer is option number B, DNA but no histones. Then next question is, an example of a cell devoid of nuclear membrane and mitochondria is. The options are bacterial cell, protozoan cells, spongy cell, and sperm cell. And the correct answer is bacterial cell. The next question is, metabolic enzymes are absent in fungi, bacteria, viruses, and algae. Then the correct answer is viruses. The next question is, Miller was successful in demonstrating formation of amino acid by passing an electric discharge in a mixture of ammonia, water, hydrogen, and methane, ethane, ether, carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is option number A. Methane is the correct answer. Then next question is, bacteriophage consists of only proteins, carbon and nitrogen, nucleoproteins, and DNA. And the correct answer is option number C, nucleoproteins. Then next question is, which of the following is a true of viruses? They invariably contains DNA, they contain both RNA and DNA, their genetic material is RNA, they occur only inside the bacteria. And the correct answer is option number C, their genetic material is RNA. Then next question is, viruses as such one, unicellular, acellular, eukaryotic, and inert particle. Then the option number D is the correct answer. Viruses are inert particles. The next question is, the first virus was discovered by Ivanovsky, Landsteiner, Miller, and Besring. And the correct answer is question number A, Ivanovsky. Then next question is, the scientist who first extracted a virus in pure form and prepared its crystal was. The options are Ivanovsky, Weizmann, Stanley, and Vejring. Then the correct answer is option number C, Stanley. Then next question is, the genome of AIDS virus consists of single-stranded RNA filament, single-stranded DNA filament, double-stranded RNA filament, and double-stranded DNA filament. The correct answer is a single-stranded RNA filament. Next question is, under certain conditions, scientists have organized cell-like structures but not true organization of a cell. These are called eubionts, coacervates, microbes, and protists. And the correct answer is option number B, coacervates. Then next question is, the best supporting fact that viruses are living is that viruses, options are one, made of chemicals, cause disease, duplicate themselves, penetrate cell membrane. And the correct answer is option number C, duplicate themselves. Then next question is, abiogenesis means. The options are origin of life from non-living organism, next is origin of life from living organism, next is origin of viruses and microbes, then next is spontaneous generation. Then the correct answer is option number C, option number D, spontaneous generation. Then next question is, viruses are partial saprophyte, strictly parasites, strictly saprophytes, partial parasites. Then the correct answer is option number B, strictly parasites. Then next question is, the largest virus is pox virus, herp virus, sarcoma virus, and tumor virus. And the correct answer is pox virus. Then next question is, origin of life was given by Darwin, Oparin, Miller, and Smith. And the correct answer is option number B, Oparin. Then next question is, complex coacervates duplet may have developed into protobionts, show properties of living things, are surrounded by a water cell that act as membrane. And the next option is all of the above. And the correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Then next question is, the water of primitive ocean during the time of origin of life has been called hot dilute soup of organic substances by And the options are Haldane, Miller, Operin and Fox, and the correct answer is option number A, Haldane. Then next question is, according to Operin, life originated due to self-reproduction, spontaneous generation, effect of sunlight on mud, and none of the above. And the correct answer is, according to origin of life originated due to spontaneous generation. Then next question is, which type of respiration probably arose first? Aerobic, anaerobic, both A and B, and none of the above. Then the correct answer is option number B, anaerobic respiration. Next question is, according to Casper and Franklin, the virus is composed of outer proteinous coat and central core of nucleic acids, outer nucleic acid and proteinous central core, outer proteinous coat and central DNA core, outer proteinous coat and central RNA core. And the correct answer is option number A, outer proteinous coat and central core of nucleic acid. The next question is, TMV, tobacco mosaic virus, is related to origin of life, hormone, respiration and virus. And the correct answer is D, virus. TMB is related to virus. The last question is, which of the statement is correct? Virus reproduce outside the host cell, viruses reproduce only inside the host cell, viruses reproduce both inside and outside the host cell, viruses do not produce. And the correct answer is option number B, viruses reproduce only inside the host cell. Thank you for watching. I hope ये क्वेश्चंस आपको HP टेट में हेल्पफुल होंगे और आप देख रहे होंगे कि प्रीवियस ईयर में भी इन क्वेश्चन से बहुत से क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें।